Losing weight can be tough, but there is a simple trick that can help. Avoiding packaged foods. Packaged foods are things like chips, cookies, and frozen dinners that come in boxes or bags. They might seem convenient, but they are often not good for your health. Here's why saying goodbye to packaged foods can help you lose weight effectively. What are packaged foods? Packaged foods are any foods that come in a package. This can include snacks like candy bars, potato chips, and cookies, as well as meals like frozen pizzas and microwave dinners. While these foods are easy to prepare and eat, they often contain unhealthy ingredients. Why are packaged foods unhealthy? High in calories, packaged foods often have a lot of calories. Even if a small portion doesn't seem like much, eating too many can add up quickly. High-calorie foods can make it easy to gain weight. High in sugar and salt. Many packaged foods have a lot of added sugar and salt. Too much sugar can lead to weight gain and health problems like diabetes. Too much salt can raise your blood pressure and cause other health issues. Unhealthy fats. Packaged foods often contain unhealthy fats like trans fats and saturated fats. These fats can increase your cholesterol levels and lead to heart disease. Low in nutrients. Packaged foods are usually low in essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. Eating these foods can leave your body lacking the nutrients it needs to stay healthy. Benefits of avoiding packaged foods. By avoiding high-calorie, high-sugar, and high-fat packaged foods, you can reduce your overall calorie intake. This can help you lose weight more effectively. When you avoid packaged foods, you can focus on eating fresh, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. These foods are full of important nutrients that your body needs to function properly. Eating fewer packaged foods can help lower your risk of health problems like heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Fresh, whole foods can help you feel better and have more energy. When you cook your own meals using fresh ingredients, you have more control over what goes into your food. You can choose healthier ingredients and avoid adding too much sugar, salt, or unhealthy fats. Tips for avoiding packaged foods. Take some time each week to plan your meals. This can help you avoid the temptation of grabbing a packaged snack or meal when you're hungry and in a hurry. Try to cook most of your meals at home using fresh ingredients. This can be fun and rewarding, and it allows you to control what goes into your food. If you do buy packaged foods, read the labels carefully. Look for products with fewer ingredients and avoid those with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and too much salt. Choose healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, and yogurt instead of packaged snacks like chips and candy bars. These options are more nutritious and can help you stay full longer. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading you to reach for a packaged snack when you don't really need it. By saying goodbye to packaged foods, you can take a big step toward effective weight loss and better health. It might take some effort at first, but soon you'll find that eating fresh, whole foods becomes a delicious and healthy habit. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Comments welcome. Follow.